Hello students, today I am going to discuss with you back exercise and question answers of class 9th geography chapter 1 India size and location. Okay, so these are the multiple choice question. The first one is the Tropic of Cancer does not pass through Rajasthan, Odisha, Chhattisgarh or Tripura. Right option is B, Odisha. The easternmost longitude of India is 97 degree 25 inches east, 68 degree 7 inches east, 77 degree 6 inches east, 82 degree 32 inches east. Which is the right answer? A 97 degree 25 inches east. Third one, Uttarakhand, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, West Bengal and Sikkim have common frontier with. Frontier means land boundaries. A option China, B Bhutan, C Nepal, D Myanmar. The right answer is C Nepal. If you intend to visit Kavarati during your summer vacations, which one of the following union territories of India you will be going to? He is talking about UT, Union Territories. First, A Puducherry, B Lakshadweep, C Andaman and Nicobar, D Daman and Diu. B is the right answer. Next, my friend hails from. What is the meaning of hails? Comes from. My friend comes from a country which doesn't share land boundary with India. Identify the country. Bhutan, Tajikistan, Bangladesh or Nepal. B option is right answer. Tajikistan. Okay. Next, first one question. These are very short answer type questions. Name the group of islands lying in the Arabian Sea. Right answer is Lakshadweep. Do you know what was the earlier name of Lakshadweep? It's a group of islands. And Lakshadweep's earlier name was Laccadive, Minicoy, Amandive. In 1973, the government of India or the parliament has passed an act. After that, they have given a name Lakshadweep. That's why they have mentioned the group of islands, right? Next, name the countries which are larger than India. So I want to give you a small tip. Rakubai, Russia, Canada, China, USA, Brazil and Australia. So now number 7 is India. So India is the 7th largest country in the world. But before that, these are the countries which are larger than India, right? Next, which island group of India lies to its southeast? That is Andaman and Nicobar group of island. This is also a group of islands. Which island countries are our southern neighbors? Maldives and Sri Lanka. And where is Maldives and where is Sri Lanka? Here it is. This is Maldives and this is Sri Lanka, right? Now next is the sun rises 2 hours earlier in Arunachal Pradesh as compared to Gujarat in the west. So I want to show you on the map. Here is Gujarat. This is west direction. Here is Arunachal Pradesh. This is east direction. And what they have asked? They have asked the sun rises 2 hours earlier in Arunachal Pradesh as compared to Gujarat in the west. But the watches show the same time. How does this happen? They have given the reply. There is a longitudinal gap between Arunachal Pradesh and Gujarat, which is about 30 degree. So they have given a formula. 1 longitude equal to 4 minutes. So keep it in your mind. These all longitudes are equidistant from each other. So that's why they have written over here 4 minutes. So number of longitudes in between Arunachal Pradesh and Gujarat, that are 30. So we multiply 30 into 4 and we will get 120 minutes. And we are well aware about 1 hour equal to 60 minutes. So 1 minute equal to 1 upon 60 and 120 minutes equal to 1 upon 60 into 120, and when we divide 60 into 120 we will get the answer 2 hours. So here it is. So as Arunachal Pradesh is in the east, so therefore the sun rises early there compared to Gujarat. The Indian Standard Time, that is ISM, Indian Standard Meridian, is taken from the time of Standard Meridian that was taken. And India passing through Mirzapur in Uttar Pradesh is taken as the standard time. And where is Standard meridian, here it is standard meridian. It passes through अपना UP, that UP Mirzapur, right? And its location is 82 degree 30 inches. So they have mentioned, they have selected. So to avoid the mess created by different regional times, that is why the watches show the same time for the whole country. And I'm talking about India. Don't be confused. I'm not talking about world time. I'm talking about Indian time. So next is maps. The central location. Number 4. The central location of India at the head of the Indian Ocean is considered of great significance. What are the reasons behind that? What is the importance? What is the significance of India? They have mentioned the central location of India at the head of the Indian Ocean is considered of great significance due to the following reasons. The first reason is India has got a strategic advantage due to the trans-Indian Ocean routes. We are having good maritime relations, sea routes and sea contacts also, which connect the countries of Europe in the west and the countries in the East Asia. Second point is, since the opening of the Suez Canal in 1869, I want to show you the Suez Canal. This is the part of world map. Here it is Europe, here is Africa, and this is India, and this is Asia. So what they have mentioned, if we want to go from Mumbai to Europe, so we can go from this way, and this is the Suez Canal, which I have marked. So if I want to go to Europe from this side, so it's the longest way. So what they have mentioned the opening of the Suez Canal. In which year? 1869. The distance between India and Europe has been reduced by 7,000 kilometers. India enjoys a favorable situation on the international highway of trade and commerce even today. In next point, it helps India to establish close contact with Africa, West Asia and Europe from the west coast and with Southeast and East Asia from the eastern coast. As we are well aware that we are having a long coastline. We have read also India is having a long coastline, 7,516.6 kilometers, right? So the last point they have mentioned, the natural harbors and the vast coastline have benefited India in the process of trade and commerce with the distant countries as well as its neighbors, right? So next, this is very important part, map skill. So you are required to plot on your maps also. So what they have mentioned, India states with capitals. This is our map. So these are the different states they have mentioned, like Rajasthan, Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh, Himachal Pradesh, Bihar, Chhattisgarh, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, right? So after that, what they have mentioned, they want Tropic of Cancer. So we have already discussed where is Tropic of Cancer. This dotted line is Tropic of Cancer. Its location is 23 degree 30 inches, right? So next is standard meridian. So we have discussed already standard meridian. We have selected. It passes through Uttar Pradesh Mirzapur and its location is 82 degree 30 inches, right? So next points, easternmost point of India, westernmost point of India, southernmost point of India and northernmost point of India. So this is the northernmost point of India. This is the southernmost point of India. This is westernmost point of India. This is easternmost point of India, right? So Tropic of Cancer we have read, standard meridian we have read, easternmost, westernmost, northernmost, southernmost point we have read. This is the extent between north-south extent. They have mentioned 3,214 kilometers. North-south extent is larger than east-west and east-west extent is 2,933 kilometers, right? So we have read the whole syllabus and the NCERT questions also. So thank you very much and have a nice day. Stay at home, stay safe.